Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your science lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is SC 1.3. Investigate materials to determine which types allow light to pass through. For example, transparent materials such as clear plastic wrap allow only partial light to pass through. For example, translucent materials such as wax paper block light. For example, opaque materials such as construction paper or reflect light. For example, shiny materials such as aluminum foil. Our essential question is, what are the behaviors of light? Our I can statement is, I can describe the behaviors of light. Today we are going to read a passage titled Lights and Objects, and there will be comprehension questions after the article is read for you to answer and complete and to submit via Schoology. And I will also have them presented to you where you can print them or look at them and work at them at your own pace. Light and objects. Have you ever wondered what happens when a line or path of light bumps into something in its way? Different things may happen depending on what exactly is in the light's path. If a path of light hits something that is transparent, most of the light will pass right through. Air, water, and glass are all transparent. When light hits these transparent objects, it passes through to the other side. It is almost as if the object isn't there. Most buildings have glass windows so that natural sunlight can travel from the outdoors inside. Have you ever been in a building that has a glass roof or skylight? Sometimes you can even see blue sky and clouds through the skylight. And this is a picture of glass, and it is transparent. So how do we know it's transparent? Light cannot travel through all materials. If a path of light hits something that is opaque, the light is absorbed and blocked by the object. It cannot continue in a straight line through the object. Wood, cardboard, and even a person's body are all opaque objects. Light cannot pass through to the other side. Instead, a shadow is created because the light is absorbed. Look around your classroom or your home. Do you see transparent objects through which light is passing? Can you also find opaque objects? You will probably find that your classroom or home has many more opaque objects than transparent objects. Do you see any shadows? All right, let's look at our comprehension questions or items. We have read the passage, light and objects, and we're going to use the passage to answer the items below. Number 1, what happens when light hits something transparent? A, it passes through the object, or B, it goes around the object. Number 2, name 3 transparent objects in the passage. If you go back to your passage, there were 3 objects that were considered to be transparent that were named. It is in this second paragraph. If a path of light hits something that is transparent, most of the light will pass right through. Air, water, and glass are all transparent. Is the glass roof in the passage transparent? Remember what transparency means. It means that it allows all of the light to come through. So look at the picture. Is the glass transparent? Light can travel through all material. Is that true or false? Can light travel through you? When is light absorbed and blocked by an object? It is called. So what is it called when light is absorbed through the object? Let's see. Light cannot travel through all materials. If a path of light hits something that is opaque, the light is absorbed and blocked by the object. So what word is it? Name 3 opaque objects that cannot go through, that light cannot go through. And so here's some examples. Wood, cardboard, and even a person's body are all opaque objects. Those are 3 examples from the passage that answer that item. When light is absorbed, what does it create? It will create, remember what it's called? It will create something, and you can make this as well. Light cannot pass through to the other side. Instead, a shadow is created because the light is absorbed. Number 8, do you see shadows around you? Yes or no? Can you see shadows around you? All right, so this concludes our science lesson for today. Make sure that you answer the questions. They are here available in this format for your guidance as well. Make sure that you submit the assignment, and we will see you next time.